Hi guys, it's been a minute since the last update. We've lost a little bit of footage, but just bear with us. So we've filled the trench with P-rock for the most part, and I got started on 2 beds that we mixed in a little bit of Job's Organic and a little bit of bone meal for fertilizer. Added a little bit of sphagnum peat moss to help break this stuff up. There's a little bit of clay in it. Ran the rototiller down it one more time. Hopefully these 2 beds will fit all the tomatoes that we got. That should be about 200. We got this little measuring stick over here. We're gonna plant them every foot on a zigzag. That way we can tie them off to these braces. So we're gonna single stem them. They're all indeterminate tomatoes. Maybe one day we'll do a video on the difference between indeterminate and determinate tomatoes. So these are all the tomatoes that we get to plant today. Watering them in is going to be a lot easier because I got the well we're going to get to. So I'll probably be dismantling the rainwater system here pretty soon. So maybe I'll do a video on the water system before I tear it apart.
Oh!